We are back to this activity again, but this time, if you guys remember, we did the full 7 or 8 different mufflers on the BMW M1000RR competition spec. What we are doing now, we have the full akrapovic titanium headers. They just started to turn purple. We did wipe them with WD-40 and the ethanol before WD-40, so you can see how the hues are changing. But the first muffler that we installed is the aeropista GPR muffler, and this is the black titanium spec from Aero. Now again, one of my personal favorites, because if you see right here, there's no DB killer, so there's no Euro 5 spec and how big or how wide the bore and the diameter is. We'll do the same activity. We'll do a few Aero mufflers, we'll do a few Austin Racing mufflers, we have them in stock, then 2 akrapovic mufflers, the only 2 that BMW the company makes for BMW motorcycles. Then we have a few SC projects, and we'll install the CRT, the S1, the SC1R, compare the exhaust note, compare the sound, and see which one you like. I mean, it's always personal preference. You can also do Termignoni, which we have a full racing system from Termignoni also in stock that we can get for you guys. Okay, so let's start this activity. It goes to 111 decibels, so I mean it's pretty loud, guys. See if you like this one. Alright, so look at this now, guys. The next slip-on that we have on this motorcycle, the M1000RR with the akrapovic titanium headers, is the Austin Racing V3. We do have the GP1RR as well, but let's fire this motorcycle up. this out. Now this is the third exhaust that we have on the M1000 with the full akrapovic titanium headers. So we had the V3 Austin Racing before. Now this one is the GP1RS muffler. It comes with the M plate as well on the side of the exhaust, like right here. Let's fire this up and see. Slip-on that we have for this exhaust comparison or a compilation for the exhaust sound is this XSC project S1. The only issue with this exhaust is, or this muffler is, that it's a Euro 5 compatible muffler, and just taking the DB cooler out is gonna be a little difficult task because there's no access unless you drill a hole at the carbon fiber piece and take it out, or you remove all these rivets and then re-rivet the slip-on. Now let's hear the sound for this one.